Hi guys, welcome to my channel where we talk about everything from tech to films and all the fun stuff in between. First, let me share this picture of the iPad Air 3 case giveaway which I did in one of my previous videos. The winner has received the case and has kindly shared this picture as well. I know it's not a big one, but I promise I'll do more of these in the future as my channel grows. So please show your support by subscribing. Now, let's get on with this video. One of the coolest and my favorite non-health related Apple Watch features is the ability to swap the bands. This alone gives you the ability to personally customize your Apple Watch, at the same time giving you that feeling of wearing something new on your wrist every time you change the band or buy a new one. I have few bands along with this discontinued Apple Watch woven nylon band, which apparently is quite popular and it's got a good big fan base. I checked online and came across several forum board posts questioning why Apple discontinued this. When I found this band in a clearance sale, even I was skeptical on whether it would work with the Apple Watch Series 4 and onwards, as the band has 42mm printed on it. So let's find out if this works. Let's unbox this. It's the same story. If you've unboxed one Apple band, you've unboxed almost all of them. So here goes. Okay, oh wow, look at that. The color really looks very cool. The nylon woven band is supposedly made of 500 individual threads woven together to give you this kind of a look. Okay, wow, that quality. See, like most of you guys, even I was not too happy with the over £50 price for a watch band from Apple, and I have tried third-party ones, but trust me, this is quality. It's just the exorbitant cost which I'm not a fan of. I mean, these bands used to cost slightly less when Apple first launched them back in 2015, especially here in the UK. The price was somewhere around £35 to £39, but now they're all over £50. If this price was, say, even like closer to that £30, I think most of us would have definitely bought some more. Now let's get back to the band. The color combination is perfect. It used to be called Midnight Blue Stripe Woven Band when Apple used to sell them. You cannot buy this from Apple Direct, but you might find it elsewhere on the internet on clearance sale. So you see, it says the word woven band at the back along with 42mm on the other side. First thing I want to check is that if this band is any narrower than the usual 44mm sports band. And as you can see, it is not actually. So that is a relief. So basically this should work with my 44mm Apple Watch Series 4. Let me put this on. And yes, it does. There you go. On my wrist now, you can have a look at it. That doesn't look too bad. Few points of observation here. See, with this and even the sports loop, the thing which makes this slightly awkward is the way the band comes out of your watch. See, the sports band has this nice Y shape where it makes the band and the latch where it connects feel like they are one piece and gives you that good look. Whereas this woven band, even the current sports loop, the latch kind of disappears. And because of this, the band gives you that feeling of it being slightly thinner, even though the width is the same. And also this kind of makes the watch look like it's stuck on top of the band instead of feeling like it being integrated with the watch, like how the sports band does. But hey, this is just my thoughts. I know some really like the look, but for me, I think the sports band is the best, along with probably the leather loop. So that's the Apple Watch woven band in midnight blue stripe color. I've tried to match a few watch faces as well to the color of the band so you can have a look. Everyone who reviewed this band said that it's really comfortable to wear, and I do agree. It actually feels nice and airy and should help in those hot summer days. Let's move on to my other collection of watch bands. Guys, unlike some other YouTubers, I did not spend over 5 grand on Apple Watch straps, but yes, um, some of these came along with my watch and some I bought over the years. First is the blue one. This one actually came with my original Apple Watch Sport and Edition, which was released back in 2015. See, back then Apple did not allow you to custom choose your watch face along with the band. You had to buy already prepared ones, and I had the option of buying blue or white. Guess that was it, especially with the silver watch face. See, there's another reason for going for the silver watch face initially. As you see, with the silver one, you can pair any band and it'll look just fine. Whereas with the darker space gray watch, you will get these contrasting shades. I used the silver one for over 5 years and thought I'd go for the space gray one this time for a change. I have to admit, space gray looks cooler, but I don't think all the bands work with them as nicely as they do with the silver face, at least in my opinion. So the blue one on my Nike Space Gray Apple Watch Series 4, and you can see that contrasting color difference on the side. What do you think? Do you like this look? Please do comment down below and let me know. Next, I bought this black one along with my first Apple Watch at the same time, and this by far is my favorite watch band. The black color matches like no other, both with the silver watch face and the space gray watch face. How does it look pairing two different band colors? Seems weird. Feels like wearing different colored sock on each leg. Maybe with the two-tone watch face? Comment down below and let me know if you like that look. So here is the complete black one. I definitely recommend having this band in your band collection, as this is like the neutral and it goes with anything. Next up is this Walnut band. I actually picked this up duty-free when I was traveling, so I didn't pay full cost. You can see how it looked on my silver watch face. And now, again, with the black one. Let's do the dual band thing again. What do you think? Guess this one doesn't look as strong as the blue one, but still it's not for me. I've seen several others wear it actually. MKBHD, he did wear that on his channel, but yeah, this is not for me. So here's a Walnut sports band with this space gray Apple Watch. You can see the color contrast again, as I mentioned. This is something where you either like it or hate it. I'm kind of in the middle, undecided. So silver Apple Watch is the neutral option and it goes with any band. And finally, my other favorite besides the black Apple band is this one, which came along with the Series 4, which is the Nike Anthracite band. That's what Apple calls it. But yes, it's the one with the holes, and it is super comfortable, especially during summer. Next up is these two third-party bands which I tried. First is that white Nike sports band ripoff. I no longer have this with me, but yeah, this is how it looks. And the quality is probably 30 to 35% of what the Apple Watch sports band is. And it costed a tenner. And if you have used the original Apple ones, you'll definitely feel the quality difference. Next is this leather one. I wanted to try leather bands, but I didn't want to spend over £100 for the Apple ones. I got this from Amazon for about £15, I think, and I used it maybe for a day. I really didn't like the look, and the quality is barely okay. This is how it looks with my black Apple Watch. So after this, I gave up on buying third-party bands altogether and just stick with Apple's. So that's the look try-on haul of my Apple Watch bands. Let me know what is your favorite one in the comments down below. Also, please do subscribe to this channel for more exciting and fun videos. And as always, thanks a lot for staying until the end. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.